Most of the Nollywood people who are against me for something we no concern them, they're actually doing it like, we stand with this person. But the truth is, believe me, it's envy. I'm doing better. I'm doing better than all of them. There are some of them who have earned 150,000 per movie for the past 10 years. They know they don't grow. So for them it's envy. Yes. You understand? This is a time to.
Wahala no continue much like this, Hey my people, how on a day is your girl Cindy? I don't bring another Obenge news come for una again. And I know say for this place now Obenge news that they carry come. One diluted as them they cook am, na so they carry come give una. So on today's episode now Yul Edochie matter we carry come. We all know that Yul Edochie is a popular actor and a legend. Yeah, Yul Edochie used to be loved by all, not until he announced his second wife, Judy Austin. Yul Edochie was married to May Edochie. They had 4 kids together before one wife. So Judy Austin is his second wife, according to him. She has given birth to 2 children. So when Yul Edochie announces his second wife, that's when the whole saga began. People started, they don't like him again. So ever since then, it has been from one dragging to the other. Anything where he do, na so dragging. Nigerians now. Nigerians know the Zukwani. So he don't come out to say he know why his colleagues, his Nollywood colleagues, some of them no like him, and because say they are envious of him, say they do better than them, and why almost every of them no one support him. They just decide one person, which is him wife, May Edochie. That is one thing. But do you think Yul Edochie is right by saying that most of his Nollywood colleagues no side him because they are envious of him? Say they are jealous that he's doing better than all of them. Hey God, that is one thing.